Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Calculus 2. First, ensure your Calculus 1 foundation is rock solid. Revisit limits, derivatives, and basic integration to build confidence. A strong grasp of these fundamentals will make new topics much easier to absorb. Don't rush this step. It's crucial for your overall success in the course. This preparation sets you up for a smoother learning journey. Calculus 2 introduces several key areas. Focus on mastering advanced integration techniques like integration by parts and partial fractions. Dedicate time to understanding sequences and series, especially their convergence tests. Parametric equations and polar coordinates are also vital, offering new ways to describe curves. Finally, explore how integration applies to finding volumes and surface areas. To truly succeed, consistent practice is essential. Work through numerous problems from your textbook and other resources every day. Consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others solidifies your own understanding. Leverage online tutorials and videos for alternative explanations. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to ask your professor or a tutor for assistance right away. When facing challenging problems, break them into manageable parts. Regular review of past topics prevents forgetting and strengthens your overall knowledge base. Keep your notes and assignments well organized to easily find information when needed. Remember, calculus can be tough, but maintaining a positive attitude and persevering through difficulties will ultimately lead to success. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.